Hello student, good morning all. Today we are going to start our new chapter of English 1. It's a chapter 8 adjective. Adjectives means describing words, okay? In this chapter first we will know what is adjective. So all of you listen carefully. The words that describe a noun are called adjective. For example, blue sky, tall boy. Here, sky is noun and blue is describing word. Sky is noun and blue is describing word, which is adjective. That is telling about the color of sky. Okay? And the second example, tall boy. Boy is the noun, whereas tall is adjective, which is tell us boy is tall. Okay children, before going to the next topic, I am going to discuss very important topic. Yes, it's noun. Let us learn noun once more time because adjective are the words that describe noun because adjective are the words that describe noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal and thing. Hope you remember. I have already discussed in previous chapter. So children, let us take an example. Girl. Check the first example. Here I am talking about the girl. The describing word become small girl or you can also say beautiful girl, pretty girl. These words describe girl. Now moving to the next one, that is place. Children, here I have taken one example, that is park. Okay. So here how can we describe about the park? We can say big park, beautiful park, small park. So that words big, beautiful, small will be adjective of noun park. Children, here we are discussing describing word with noun. So don't be confused. Okay. Next one is animal. For example, is dog. Okay. Black dog or you can say white dog, cute dog. These words are that describe particular noun. Here I am talking about the animal. Next one is thing. For example, frock. Frock is a noun and how we can describe any frock? New frock, beautiful frock, short frock, colorful frock. So here we are describing how frocks look like. Beautiful, colorful, short. Okay. Children, hope you understood what is adjective. I want to repeat it. The word that describe noun, noun means name of person, place or thing, are called adjective. Now take some example. Number 1, a pretty girl. Children, can you see the picture? A pretty girl. Girl is here, so pretty is describing word, whereas girl is noun. Number 2, next one, green leaf. Color of leaf is what? Tell me. It is green. So here green is describing word, whereas leaf is a noun. Number 3, next one. Okay, an old woman. Here old is describing a woman age. Okay. Next is I have a 5 toffee. Students, can you count how many toffee are there? How many toffees are there? Tell me. So here I am talking about the number. Adjective even describe the number. 5. Here is adjective, that is describe noun, toffees. Now next is the lemon is very sour. Here lemon is noun, where sour is adjective. It is describing the taste of lemon. Now number 6, my teddy is very soft. Here teddy is noun and soft is adjective. That tell us how the teddy feels. So, or texture of teddy. Okay. Now, student, let's do some describing words for practice. First is underline and the correct describing word. Okay. Here in picture, drum are given. So, correct answer will be loud. Here, loud will be underlined and match with drums. Loud is describing word. Okay. Now, next, big elephant. Big is adjective. Okay. Next is hot tea. Hot as a describing word. Okay. Now, underline hot and match. Last one, soft pillow. Soft will be the describing word. So, underline soft and match with correct answer. Now we are going to do another question. This is circle that correct describing words. Ice cream. What is the describing word for ice cream? Tell me, hot or cold? Cold is correct answer. Yes. So answer will be cold. Next word is bread. Bread is soft. So circle will be soft. Next is orange. What is the taste of orange? Children, tell me, spicy or sour? Yes, sour will be the describing words for orange. Okay, next, last one, milk. Milk is hot or sour? Yes, it can be hot. So correct answer will be hot. Here you can circle to hot. Children, hope you understood this chapter. Describing words means adjectives. Okay, now I am going to give you your homework and classwork. Question number B is your classwork and question number C and D is your homework. Thank you. Have a good day.